Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly step by step how to register on the NITP portal. That is the Nigeria International Travel Portal as a fully vaccinated traveler and generate your permit to travel, also known as the QR code. Registering on the portal, if you're not aware, is a mandatory requirement for every single traveler traveling to Nigeria, whether you're young, whether you're old, whether you're fully vaccinated or unvaccinated. But today's video is going to be focused on the process for fully vaccinated travelers. It's a very simple process, and all you will need to fill out this portal is your passport information, your travel information, and also a digital copy of your vaccination card. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. So let's get straight into it.
Open your web browser and put in the address nitp.ncdc.gov.ng. Here, you fill out the information about the country you're flying in from the country information to the city, to the terminal information, and also the airline you're going to be using to fly to Nigeria. Click Next. This then takes you to the passenger pre-boarding health declaration and screening form. You have to put in some information in different categories here. The first is the personal information, where you insert your family name, that's your surname, right? Your first name, your middle name, your gender. It also asks you if you have a diplomatic passport. You put in your passport number. I put in a dummy number here. Also confirm your passport number. You can copy and paste that. Select the nationality that you're flying into the country with. Put in your email address. Also then confirm your email address. It's very important that the information here is right, because your QR code will be sent to this email address, right? You then put in your phone number. You have to put in a Nigerian phone number. If you don't have one, perhaps use the number of a friend, or use your hotel's number, ask them for a number. You then have to put in your date of birth, give information about your flight number, yes. Then you then select where exactly you'll be arriving, right? So I selected here which city you're going to be arriving in. I selected Lagos, and you then select the date that you're actually going to be arriving. Then you then put in your country of first departure. So this is the country you're going to be flying from the onset. If you have a transit country, you put in that country in there too. Put in your country of residence and also your residential address. It can be a full address, but for the purposes of this, I just put in, the city. Click Next. It then asks you for countries you visited in the last 21 days. It's a mandatory cell that you have to fill. So just put in, if you haven't visited many countries, just insert the country that you just visited or you're flying from, which I put in the UK. After that, it then asks you to enter one or more destinations in Nigeria for the next 21 days. So if you're going to be in multiple cities in the next 21 days, it wants you to give the information of the address, the number that you can be reached by, the city, the states. Also ask you if you're a resident and how long you're going to be spending in each specific city or state in Nigeria. I just clicked on Next. I only had one destination. Next, you have to put in your emergency contact in Nigeria or next of kin, right? So you put in the person's full name, their address, and also their number. The number you put in here has to be different from your number in the personal information, or else it will not go. Like, you will not be able to proceed to the next field. So in segment 5 here, it asks you in the last 21 days if you've had any of the following elements, which I selected no to, and then I clicked Next, and it took me to the next segment, which is about in the last 21 days, have you had contact with anyone who have had the following, right? It talks about fever, difficulty breathing, cough. I selected no to all these fields and clicked Next. It then took me to this next segment, which is about if I've taken any medications in the last 24 hours, right? Antibiotics, I selected no to all of them and clicked on Next. And this is an important part. This is the COVID-19 test part. It asks you your vaccination status, right? And once I said I was fully vaccinated, it prompted me to then choose to upload my vaccination card, my proof of vaccination. So I had to upload this information to the file, to the platform. It then says here, please note the following are mandatory on the bearer. If you're fully vaccinated, you don't need to do a post-arrival test. It then tells you basically what you have to do if you're not fully vaccinated. It then tells you the punishment that you get if you don't comply with the above, right? It then asks you to accept some certain terms and conditions and click review. When you click review, it takes you back to the top of the page and basically tells you that you are not required to make payments and asks you to kindly proceed to submit. So you click the proceed to submit button, takes you back to the bottom, and then you can click the confirm and proceed. The moment you do press this confirm and proceed, it takes you to the portal here to say that it's been successful. And it says your enrollment details have been received and payment confirmed. It then tells you to click here to download the QR code. When you click on there, it prompts you to give in your passport number, right? And once you've inserted your passport number, click on verify and download. Automatically, it downloads to your computer your QR code right there, your permit to travel. This is the information. It states you've been fully vaccinated. It states that there's no payment needed. This is a document that you need to take with you when you're traveling and you need to show at boarding and also at arrival in Nigeria. It's also key to note that right away I received an email titled the Nigerian International Travel Portal, which has a PDF download, payment confirmation and receipts. And in the email, I was basically able to click to download my QR code right away. And when I clicked on that, it took me to the portal right page, and on the portal page I was prompted to give in my passport number. And once I put in that information and click verify and download, it basically downloaded my permit to travel and QR code. So this is another way to get your information. I screenshot this information and I would advise people to just save it on your phone. Yes, guys, that is it. How to register on the NITP portal and generate your QR code permit to travel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this tutorial is very simple to understand. Going to Nigeria now is much easier as a fully vaccinated traveler. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video.